Welcome to the Dennis Bloodnok Channel, vlog number 8 for the dates of the 5th to the 7th of November 2019. And the first item on the agenda will be the unboxing of the Rode VideoMic ME-L. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Dennis Bloodnok Channel and welcome to the previously mentioned unboxing of a surprise new product. In this case, the Rode VideoMic ME-L. This video mic is especially for the iPhone. As well as being a Huawei P20 Pro user, I also use my iPhone for shooting my YouTube video footage, and I have noticed a particular issue with the iPhone in terms of the poor sound quality. Hence the purchase of this microphone. As you can see, the phone contains the muffler and the actual microphone itself for attaching to the iPhone. So let's go and shoot some footage and find out the difference that this sound quality makes. And here is a test of video with the new Rode VideoMic ME-L outside in the car park here in Warwick with the muffler on the microphone. So let's see what it sounds like. The second item on the agenda is Guy Fawkes night, or bonfire night, or the 5th of November, or fireworks night as it is known often here in the UK. Here's a bit of explanation. Remember the 5th of November. Gunpowder, treason and plot. Guy Fawkes was born on the 13th of April 1570. He was also known as Guido Fawkes whilst fighting for the Spanish. He was a member of a group of provincial English Catholics who planned the failed gunpowder plot of 1605. His mother then married again and he became a recusant Catholic. Fawkes converted to Catholicism and left for mainland Europe, where he fought for Catholic Spain in the 80 Years' War against Protestant Dutch reformers in the Low Countries. He travelled to Spain to seek support for a Catholic rebellion in England, but this was without success. He later met Thomas Wintour, with whom he returned to England, and Wintour introduced Fawkes to Robert Catesby. Catesby planned to assassinate King James I of England and restore a Catholic monarch to the throne. The plotters leased an undercraft beneath the House of Commons, and Fawkes was placed in charge of the gunpowder which they had stockpiled there. The authorities were prompted by an anonymous letter to search Westminster Palace. During the early hours of the 5th of November 1605, they found Fawkes guarding the explosives. He was questioned and tortured over the next few days. He confessed to wanting to blow up the House of Commons. Immediately before his execution on the 31st of January 1606, Fawkes fell from the scaffold where he was due to be hanged and broke his neck, thus avoiding the agony of being hanged, drawn and quartered. He became synonymous with the gunpowder plot, the failure of which has been commemorated in Britain as Guy Fawkes Night since the 5th of November 1605, when his effigy is traditionally burned on a bonfire, commonly accompanied by fireworks.